I stupid or what? I'm walking right into the arms of a kidnapper. Also, it's worth mentioning that someone took my backpack. What kind of asshole does something like that? I need to relax. I need to relax.
Oh, hi. Are you Bernadette?
Yeah, hi, is this the CIC?
Yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Childhood Ink Club. We have a lot of, interesting activities here. It's a bit different compared to the other clubs. But I think you're gonna like it, you know, because we all have matching stuffed animals.
Thanks for the intro, Inaya, but let's cut to the chase.
Oh.
Are you sure you want to do this? After this, you can't hide.
I'm sorry. What?
Listen, once you do this ritual, her torment will become more direct.
Don't scare her off. Bernadette, could I see your stuffed animal?
Yep, looks just like all of ours.
Do you all have one of these cat stuffed animals too?
No, not a cat, but we do have similar ones.
Yeah, here's mine.
They've been through a lot.
Yeah, but did you invite me just to talk about toys?
No! Sorry, I'm not trying to waste your time. It's just that...
I know that your little cat toy's been talking to you.
We meet again, Bernadette.
How did you get here?
He was in your bag, and he told me he could help you.
What?
He'll help us during today's seance. He's been to the art world many times, and he knows you the best.
Are you stupid or just dumb? He's a possessed stuffed animal. Him guiding us to a seance is like letting Satan drag us to hell.
I am not a demon.
You're the reason he becomes fucking dead.
I suppose I wouldn't be your definition of good. I couldn't stop death in its tracks and tell it to give her just one more day. However, please recognize me. I was with her when the doors were closed, when the greenhouse glass was broken, and I am forced to live the rest of my existence, knowing that I spent my days listening, and I never said a word. A few words could have made a difference, and I am forced to live the rest of my existence, knowing that I spent my days listening, and I never said a word. But truly, death was her only means of escape. My sweet Inika, how could hell incinerate such a pure flower as yourself? That's beyond me. And for that reason alone, I recognize my fate as a mere bystander. And Coco was something beyond my comprehension.
My dear cat, show me this cuckoo person.
She's right over there.
Stands out, doesn't she?
We called her the only one in ink before we knew her name was Coco.
She mentioned a thing or two. About Hamika. About Hamika. About Hamika. About Hamika. About Hamika. About Hamika. About Hamika.
I recognize you, but I'm not sure from where.
Wait! Bernadette, it's all fake! Bernadette!